What?
The liquid glacier.
You gotta look out for the worms.
Gary, lick a glacier. Do it.
No.
Bonk. Make him do it.
There's pretty designs in it.
Yeah.
Didn't like
He has a glacier for breakfast.
This comes to the Museum of Modern Art.
Really pure ice.
It's like the lightest.
Beautiful.
It is.
Looks like it's lit from the bottom. But there's a lot of sediment and rock in it too right here. That's about a foot or two below the water.